Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install one of the pre-selected Geoid options into Uinta. So if you want to install a different unique Geoid file, I'll have a video for that at a later date, but for now I'm going to be showing you how to select and download one of the existing options. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I've got a Uinta project open. It just so happens to be the one focused around our office here. And I'm going to head to the top right corner where the three bars are to open up my side menu, and I'm going to select Settings, and then my third option here, Location Settings. Within my location settings, I have a couple different options that I can change, including my antenna height, location status text, my coordinate system. But here at the bottom is what I really care about. I'm going to select my Geoid settings option. And you can see if I select the drop-down, there is no Geoid options right now because I don't have any installed, because that would take up a lot of space on my hard drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the pencil icon on the right here, and that's going to open up my Manage Installed Geoids menu. And you can see there's a whole bunch of them, mostly centered around Australia, the US, and New Zealand. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of my Geoid 12B options. In fact, I'm going to select the 18 to 24 degree latitude option and the minus 160 to minus 154 longitude option. And I'm going to select that. It's then going to pop up with a download Geoid 12B. I'm going to hit yes, I want to download that. It's going to quickly install it. And if I close my Manage Install Geoids menu here, you're going to see I now have an option to select under my Geoid settings, which will allow me to have the proper elevation on my points. And if I select Save Changes here, that's going to save that Geoid and ensure that it is the one to use from then on forward in my project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you install a Geoid file into Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.